Hello children, good evening. Today we shall discuss about chapter 4 Burmese invasion of Assam from your history book. Okay, आज हम आपके हिस्ट्री बुक के चैप्टर 4 बर्मीज इन्वेशन ऑफ असम के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो बर्मीज इन्वेशन 1817, 1819 एंड 1821. बर्मीज लोग they invaded Assam for the 3 times. First they invaded in 1817, again in 1819 and again in 1821. Then again we shall discuss about the result of Burmese invasion. Then first Anglo-Burmese war and Treaty of Yandabu. We shall discuss all these in this chapter. Okay. As I told you earlier also, the people of Burma in Assam are called Man and their king is called Man Raja. So the Burmese invasion of Assam constitutes an important phase in the history of Assam. The political condition that prevailed on the eve of the Burmese invasion is to be understood to know the circumstances which led to the invasion. किस सर्कमस्टेंसेस में बर्मीज लोग असम में आया, ये सब बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी शैल डिस्कस अबाउट द पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन ऑफ असम एट दैट टाइम. द डेथ ऑफ अहोम किंग गौरीनाथ सिन्हा इन 1795 was followed by the accession of कमलेश्वर सिन्हा टू द थ्रोन. गौरीनाथ सिन्हा के मरने के बाद Kamleshwar Sinha came to the throne, taking advantage of the Moamoria rebellion. Okay, listen. Taking advantage of the Moamoria rebellion, the Burmese king tried to intervene in the politics of Assam. They, along with the Singphos, helped the Moamorias when the latter attacked Bengmara, present-day Tinsukia, in Upper Assam. Initially, the Burmese king did not help them. It was only after repeated appeals that he decided to send army to Assam to help the Moamorias. Okay, the Ahom prince at that time, the Ahom prime minister Purnananda Buragohai was aware. He was aware that too much foreign interference in internal matter would have adverse effects on the country's interest. Thus, the Buragohai, who had in the meantime become very powerful, allowed the Moamoria Morans to rule independently the land between the Brahmaputra and Dihing, because पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई को मालूम था कि अगर विदेशी ताकत बार बार से असम में आए then the whole ministry would be destroyed. So he allowed Moamoria Morans to rule independently the land between the Brahmaputra and the Dihing. On proclaiming their leaders as the Bor Senapati, they thereafter became loyal towards the Ahom power. उसके बाद से वे लोग क्या हो गया था? Loyal. The Moamorias became loyal. Then, as the Singphos and the Khamtis, along with the Moamoria rebels, had attacked the Ahom kingdom, the Buragohai very diplomatically gave to the Singphos chief Bichanong, however, presented Rangeli to the Burmese king Bodopaya to maintain the good relation. Okay, ironically, it was Rangeli who later on helped Badan Chandra against Purnananda. In Kamrup also, Hardatta Birdatta Chaudhary, with the help of a Barkandese force of Bengal, revolted against the Ahom king. Okay, the Barphukan of Guwahati, Badan Chandra, who was in charge of Lower Assam, was held responsible for this Purnananda Buragohai. Hence, he was replaced by Kolya Bhumara as the new Barphukan of Guwahati. Badan Chandra को हटा दिया गया था and in his place Kolya Bhumara was appointed as new Barphukan. Okay, in Guwahati. All these showed dissatisfaction in the mind of Badan Chandra against Purnananda. Meanwhile, Kolya Bhumara was successful in suppressing the revolt of the Hardatta Birdatta, popularly known as the Dandwadro. ओके तो इस तरह से क्या हो गया था कि बदन चंद्र बरफुकन को कुछ कारण बस पूर्णानंद ने हटा दिया था और उसके जगह में कलिया भोमरा को बरफुकन का पोस्ट दिया गया था। इसके चलते देयर वाज एनमिटी रोज बिटवीन बदन चंद्र एंड होम पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई। ओके देन हरदत्ता बीरदत्ता का भी रिवोल्ट हुआ था। यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट पेज नंबर 66। देयर इज कलिया भोमरा ब्रिज। ओके this bridge was completed in the year 1987. Okay, its length is about 3015 meter. 3015 meter means about more than 3 kilometer. Okay, then in appreciation of his work, the Ahom king conferred the title of Pratap Ballabh on Koliya Bhomara. ओके आहोम किंग ने कलिया भोमरा को प्रताप बल्लभ का टाइटल दिया था। इट इज सेड दैट कलिया भोमरा मेड प्रिपरेशन फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग अ ब्रिज ऑन द ब्रह्मपुत्र एट सीलघाट। सीलघाट में उसने उस ब्रिज का काम शुरू किया था। व्हाट वी हैव जस्ट सीन कलिया भोमरा ब्रिज, बट ही कुड नॉट कंप्लीट इट। हिज डेथ हाउएवर डिड नॉट अलाउ हिज प्लान्स टू materialize. Now we shall discuss the causes of the Burmese invasion in Assam. Okay, बर्मी लोग असम में क्यों इन्वेड किया था? Before that, we shall also discuss about importance of Purnananda Buragohai. Purnananda Buragohai was a very powerful prime minister. उस समय प्राइम मिनिस्टर को बुरागोहाई का नाम दिया जाता था। Okay, so Purnananda was a very powerful, and during his lifetime he was able to leave his mark on every branch of the administration. अहोम काल में पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई ने अपना हर जगह में छाप छोड़ कर गया था। During the course of the Moamoria rebellion, when Ahom king Gorinath Sinha fled from his capital to Guwahati, the entire responsibility of the Ahom empire was borne by Purnananda. Okay, when Gorinath Sinha was fled from his capital to Guwahati, at the time also it was Purnananda Buragohai who took the whole responsibility of Ahom empire. His despotic and arrogant nature was, however, not liked by his countrymen, because he was a despotic and arrogant. That's why he was not liked by most of the countrymen. Okay, even he was very powerful. It was Purnananda Buragohai only who kept peace in the Ahom administration. Purnananda Buragohai, by virtue of being the chief administrative head, had done much to establish peace and order in the country. Okay, it was Purnananda Buragohai only because of whom there was peace in the whole country. Yet it remained a subject of debate and discussion as to how his policies had strengthened the Ahom monarchy. The economic condition of the people had deteriorated. Also, the Buragohai's long tenure was marked by stern measures which made a section of the officials unhappy, though they could not openly voice their dissatisfaction. Okay, Swargadev Gorinath Sinha died within a year of assuming office. Purnananda kept secret the news of the Swargadev's death and very cleverly appointed a minor, Kamaleswar Sinha. Minor means he was not able to be the king. Even Purnananda appointed him as the king, whom Kamaleswar Sinha, on the Ahom throne. Now the new young king became a puppet in the hands of the powerful Buragohai. After the death of Kamaleswar Sinha in 1810 AD, again Purnananda installed a minor named Chandrakanta Sinha on the throne. A large section of the people disliked the autocratic functioning of the Buragohai. That's why they made conspiracy against him. And during the reign of Kamaleswar Sinha, a good number of individuals as well as officials organized a rebellion against the Buragohai. It was led by Panimua, and hence the revolt was also known as Panimua rebellion. But Purnananda Buragohai suppressed this Panimua rebellion with a strong hand. As the Ahom king Chandrakanta grew up, he began to dislike the Buragohai. He struck up friendship with a youth named Satram. सतराम के साथ उसने दोस्ती कर लिया था चंद्रकांत ने, बिकॉज वो राजा होते हुए भी अपने प्रधानमंत्री से को उसे पसंद नहीं था. ही डिड नॉट लाइक हिज प्राइम मिनिस्टर, एंड सो ही मेड फ्रेंडशिप विथ वन यूथ. हिज नेम वाज सतराम, and he was made Charingia Phukan, and Satram was made Charingia Phukan and was also given a seat near the king. Satram grew so arrogant that he refused to obey anyone. He became so arrogant, वो किसी का नहीं सुनने लगा, and he even thought of assuming all power by getting rid of Buragohai. Satram, what did he think? उसने सोचा कि बुरागोहाई को भी हटा दे, and he would assume all the power. But like the earlier conspiracies, this time also Purnananda Buragohai came to know all this, and so he captured him along with his all associates. But taking opportunity, Satram escaped from the place, and he had gone to Naga Hill. But in Naga Hill, some Naga miscreants killed him. And here in the royal palace, Purnananda hanged all those associates who helped Satram in the rebel, or we can say in his conspiracy. Again, Purnananda Buragohai came to know that Badan Chandra Barphukan was also involved against Purnananda Buragohai. Badan Chandra Barphukan, he was Barphukan, लेकिन वो भी पूर्णानंद के खिलाफ आवाज उठाया था. ये जानने के बाद पूर्णानंद replaced him and appointed Kolya Bhomora as the new Barphukan. Subsequently, Purnananda Buragohai came to know that Badan Barphukan was also involved, according to your book. So he removed him and he appointed Kolya Bhomora as the new Barphukan. As a result of that, enmity rose between Purnananda Buragohai and Badan Chandra Barphukan. Later, बाद में, the marriage of Purnananda's son Oresnath with Badan's daughter Pijau Gabhuru brought some improvement in their relationship. बाद में क्या हो गया था कि पूर्णानंदा के बेटा ओरेसनाथ और बदन चंद्र की बेटी पिजाऊ गाभरू के बीच में शादी हुआ, एंड अगेन उन दोनों के बीच का रिश्ता ठीक हुआ. सो व्हेन कोल्या भोमोरा डाइड, बदन चंद्र वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द बरफुकन एट गुवाहाटी, बट ही सून बिकेम ऑपरेसिव. अब बरफुकन होने के बाद से बदन चंद्र बिकेम सो ऑपरेसिव, बहुत ही ऑपरेसिव हो चुका था. एंड इट इज सेड दैट ही इवन मिस एप्रोप्रिएटेड द गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर ऑफ कामाख्या, हाजो एंड अदर टेम्पल्स. अब ये बोला जाने लगा कि ही मिस एप्रोप्रिएटेड, वो सोना कामाख्या मंदिर से, हाजो मंदिर से एंड अदर टेम्पल्स से मिस एप्रोप्रिएट करने लगा. फर्दर द एट्रोसिटीज ही कमिटेड ऑन द इनहेबिटेंट्स ऑफ गुवाहाटी मेड लाइफ मिजरेबल, एंड फर्दर ही एट्रोसिएटेड द पीपल ऑफ गुवाहाटी. गुवाहाटी के लोगों को भी बहुत सताने लगा था, एंड ही मेड देयर लाइफ मिजरेबल. व्हेन द बुरागोहाई इशूड प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर्स ऑन of him which was ruining the health of the people, the Barphukan did not implement the order. Much to the annoyance of the Bargohai, the rivalry between the Bargohai and Barphukan again refreshed. अब देखो क्या हो गया था कि when he did not abide by the Buragohai, पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई का बात को जब बदन चंद्र ने नहीं माना तो बदन चंद्र को हटा देने का बारे में सोचा पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई ने. The atrocities of Badan Chandra had become so unbearable that the Buragohai decided on his removal. The Barphukan fled to Bengal and then Barphukan कहाँ भाग गया? He fled to Bengal as he was warned beforehand by his daughter Pijau Gaburu. Because बदन चंद्र को मालूम चल गया था कि पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई बदन चंद्र को कैप्चर कर लेगा और उसे कैदी बना लेगा. ये बारे में किसने बताया था? हिज डॉटर, बदन चंद्र की बेटी जो थी ना पिजौ गाभरू, उसने अपने पिता को बता चुकी थी. बदन मेट डेविड स्कॉट एट रंगपुर बंगाल. बंगाल में जाने के बाद डेविड स्कॉट के साथ उन्होंने मुलाकात किया. बिफोर हिज अराइवल इन कोलकाता देयर ही मेड अपील्स फॉर ब्रिटिश मिलिट्री हेल्प फॉर हिमसेल्फ एंड किंग चंद्रकांता अगेंस्ट पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई. He even presented to the British Governor General 2 letters of Ahom King Chandrakanta Sinha. 2 चिट्ठियां भी दिया उसने seeking British assistance. The Governor General however turned down the appeals as he refused to interfere in the internal affair of the state. गवर्नर जनरल डेविड स्कॉट ने बोला कि मैं किसी का घरेलू मामला में दखल अंदाजी नहीं करूंगा. The British government was also aware of Purnananda's loyalty and commitment towards his duties and thereby did not agree to help Badan against him. British government को भी पूर्णानंद बुरागोहाई के कामकाज के बारे में पता था कि वह कितना अच्छा इंसान है, कितना अपना ड्यूटी को अच्छी तरह से निभाता है. That's why British did not help Badan Chandra. Then Badan Chandra went to Burma. Being refused British help, Badan Chandra Barphukan began consultation with the Burmese representative at Calcutta. Along with the Burmese agent, he went to Amrapura, the capital of Burma, and sought the king's assistance. He went to Burma, Amrapura. Amrapura was the then capital of Burma, and he sought the king's assistance to end the Burgohai's tyranny. There were many reasons for the Burmese king to help Badan Chandra. बर्मी किंग का बदन चंद्र को हेल्प करने का बहुत सारा कारण था. Many reasons. Since the days of King Alungpaya, efforts have been made for the extension of the frontier. बर्मी लोग अपना सीमा बढ़ाने का शुरू से कोशिश कर रहा था. In fact, his imperialistic ambition resulted in the expansion of his territories as far as Manipur and Kachar. He adopted the policy of westward expansion of the country. The occupation of Arkan was followed by repeated attacks on Manipur. Arkan को मणिपुर को बार बार अटैक करके ऑक्युपाई कर लिया था बर्मियों ने. By expanding towards the west, the Burmese king wanted to use Assam as their main military base against the English. Okay, the capture of Arkan in 1784 AD during the tenure of Burmese king Bodopaya led to the establishment of the political conspiracy of the Burmese in the entire Bay of Bengal region from Margui Island to Chittagram port. Hard pressed by the atrocities and exploitation of the Burmese, around 40,000 Arkanis took refuge in British territories of Bengal. The Burmese king Bodopaya ruthlessly put pressure on the British government to send back the refugees. This refugee issue led to tension between the Burmese and the English. At such a juncture, the plea of Badan Chandra for Burmese help in favor of Chandrakanta seemed advantageous to the Burmese king. He, however, had no plans to immediately taking over Assam and hence decided on providing military aid to Badan Chandra against Purnananda. Perhaps he was waiting for an opportunity for a direct invasion. Meanwhile, Rangeli Aideo, the Assamese queen of the Burmese king, who was also an aunt of Badan Chandra, requested the king to help Badan. Thus, it became easier for Badan Chandra to acquire Burmese help. Okay, till here we have discussed. Again, in our next class, we shall discuss Burmese invasion. Okay. So till here today.